Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a really cool unboxing surprise bags. These are Disney Frozen by Tomy, and it says it's a frozen cute buildable figure inside, and it shows building Elsa, and then it also shows coloring Elsa. These two are really thin and light, and these two are kind of heavy and thick compared to these. Now, the characters you can get are Kristof, Sven, Anna, Elsa, Olaf, or Anna's boyfriend. The guy that got thrown off the island and sent back. Oh my goodness, I can't think of his name. That's okay. Let's go ahead and get right into opening these. That's the back of the package. So it does have Elsa. This one's easier to see. It does have Elsa, but in her outfit. Her fancy outfit from Frozen. Let's go ahead and rip these open. I did bring scissors this time to make it easier to open these up because I don't see a spot where you can tear. And they are for 3+. So let's just chop, chop, chop and get these open. And I opened it without opening it. Okay, let's do it up the side. Here we go. Let's see what's in these. Ta-da! Okay, so we have Olaf. So it has a little coloring page of Olaf. That's cute. And the same thing that's on the cover. So that's what this is telling you. You get a picture to color. So there is our cute little Olaf. And here are his pieces. Let's put him together. So we will open up our bag, move our picture, and his nose is in a piece too. That seems a little waste of plastic when it could have all been put together. Let's go. I'm hoping we get Sven. I don't have a lot of Sven toys. So the first thing we're gonna do is stick his nose in. Will it open? How does his nose go in? All right, just like that. His nose seems a little bit loose. This way. Line it up this way. Okay, and there is his body. There is Olaf. His nose does not fit in all the way, but there he is. Look at how cute he is, and he's hard plastic. All right, let's put him there and open up the next one. I'm going to save the two heavy ones for last. So there's our Olaf picture. Let's go up the side as we've learned and see what's in this one. And it's another Olaf. And he's exactly the same. Same Olaf. Oh, well. Good thing we like Olaf. Now we can color him twice. Let's go ahead and get into these heavy ones. Let's go. Who's in here? Elsa. Nope. I saw blonde hair and I thought Elsa. It's Kristof. Let's open him up. He is bigger than Olaf. So now I know if I see more of these, I gotta look for the big ones to get the characters. Look at his hair. Oh, and his head splits open too. So thankfully it's put together. Let's open up his head. You need a lot of patience. There we go. And here is his body. We're going to need the scissors for these. Okay. What should we put on first? His body. Oh, his fits on much better than Olaf's did. And then his hair. Maybe that's why his hair comes off. Okay, so you do have to open up his hair. Let's put his head in. And push. Is that secured? There we go. And then we'll pop his hair back on. He looks really funny right now. Let's get his hair back on. There. Oh, it's a young Kristof. He looks so cute. He is so cute. I am so happy we have him and Olaf. Now let's open up the last one and hopefully we'll get Anna or Sven. Sven would be nice. Let's see. We're going to cut her open again. And Anna! No! Anna's boyfriend. Okay. So we got 2 Olafs, Kristof, and Hans. That's his name. Prince Hans. Let's put him together. There's his hair. His goes around the ears, and here's his head. His head is stuck in there. There we go. And let's open up his body. Can we get it out without cutting? Nope, we're going to have to cut it out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So first we'll put on his head. There. Oh, look, he has no hair. Okay, and we'll pull his hair apart just like we did with... Nope, the hair is different. Okay. So we will pull the hair across around his ears, line it up. Oh, there we go. There's the back of his head, and let's put his bangs on. These are actually really cute. So we have all of our coloring pages, and we have these little figures. Now these are cute. I am loving these. Disney and Tomy, these are fantastic. Now I have to find some more to see if we can find Anna and Elsa and Sven, because we got 2 Olafs. I didn't put the other one together. What would you guys do with these? I think I would put them on a shelf, maybe use them in a small dollhouse if you have one. You can put them in your room. You can put them on a cake if you'd like. They are a little heavy. I think these are fantastic. That's it for today, guys. I will see you next time. Have a great day.